Good morning, children. Today's date is 24th July 2020. Already we discussed about fraction, different types of fraction, and in previous class we have done problems based on addition and subtraction of problems. Now we will do problem based on multiplication, fraction multiplications. Now let's see first problem. Find 6 by 8 of 84. 6 by 8 of 84 is nothing but, when we mention of, that is nothing but multiplication in maths. Remember always of when we mention multiplication. 84 into 6 by 8 you can write, or you can write 6 by 8 into 84 also you can write, no problem. Either 84 into 6 by 8 or 6 by 8 into 84. Just remember of means multiplication here. So 84 is not a fraction. So how to multiply a fraction without a fraction? So 84 we can write as 84 by 1. Always remember, children, when simple number is there, if we want to write it in a fraction, so denominator only 1 you can write. 84 is nothing but 84 by 1. Like if you write 7 is nothing but 7 by 1. So I am writing 84 as 84 by 1 into 6 by 8. Now numerator into numerator we can multiply, and denominator into denominator we can multiply. 84 into 6 whole divided by 1 into 8. So 84 into 6 in rough column you can multiply. 6 4s 24, 4 here, 2 carry, 6 8s 48, 48 plus 2 50. So 504 whole divided by 1 into 8, 1 8s 8. You can leave the answer here only as a fraction, or you can cancel the term. How can you cancel? 504 by 8 is nothing but it is a division form. So we can divide it. 504 by 8 means you have to divide 504 by 8. Let's see. 8 4 8 6 48. From 50 we are subtracting 48, so remainder is 2. Take this 4 down, that becomes 24. So 8 3 is 24. Remainder is how much? 24 minus 24, 0. So what is the answer? 504 by 8 is nothing but 63. So 6 by 8 of 84 answer is 63. Am I clear, children? Now let's see one more problem based on the same concept. We will do one more problem. See, second question. Multiply 20 by 6 by 4. Here by also means multiplication only. 20 into 6 by 4. Am I clear, children? Again 20 is not a fraction. It's a whole number. But we can write it into fraction, as I told you in previous problem. Only in denominator 1 we can write. 20 by 1 into 6 by 4. Now again we got both are fraction. So how can we multiply? Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 20 into 6 whole divided by 1 into 4. This 20 into 6 directly we can multiply, or you can write, you can split this 20 into some another number. Like 20, how will you get 20? 4 5s 20, that we can write in another form only. I am doing, in place of 20 I am writing 4 into 5 into 6 whole divided by 1 into 4 is 4. These two 4s are same. I can cancel that. 4 1s 4, 4 1s 4. Remainder is 5 into 6. 5 6 30. If you are confusing here, so you can do in this way only. 20 into 6 I wrote there and whole divided by 4. So you can multiply 20 into 6. 20 into 6 how much? 120 whole divided by 4. This 120 whole divided by 4 you can solve in rough column. See, 4 we should divide 120 by 4. 4 3s 120. Sorry, 4 3s 12. Remainder is 0. Take this 0 down. 4 zeros 0. Remainder is 0 now. So we got 30 as answer. So your wish, if you are confusing here, you do by like previous problem only. Am I clear, children? 20 by 6 by 4 is nothing but 30. 30 is the answer. Now we will see one more problem, word problem. When he has given in word, how to solve the problem. See the question. A van can carry only 16 passengers. One day the van left a town with only 3 by 4 of the seats full. What is the number of passengers in the van? That means what he is telling in the question. In a bus, 16 seats are there, but the driver, or you can say only 3/4 seats are full. That means 16 out of 16 passengers, only 3/4 of the passengers sat. So total how many passengers are there? That means he has given in fractions. We need to find a number. That is nothing but multiplication only. First you write how many passengers can sit in the bus. Total passengers can sit in the bus 16. But what fraction of passengers sat in the bus? 3/4. So 3/4 of 16 or 16 of 3/4 is nothing but number of passengers in the bus. In bus how many passengers sat he is asking. That is nothing but this 3/4 of 16. That only we are doing 3/4 of 16. Just now I told you of is nothing but multiplication. 16 into 3/4. Here 16 again a whole number. So we can write into fraction. So how can we write? 16/1. 16/1 is nothing but only 16. That's why only 1 we can write in denominator. 16/1 into 3/4. 16 into 3, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, we need to multiply. 16 into 3 whole divided by 1 into 4. 16 into 3 you can write as 48/4, or as I told you 16 we can write 4 into 4. 4 4 16, that I am writing in two different numbers, into 3 as it is, whole divided by 4. This 4 and this 4 we can cancel. Same numbers are there in numerator and denominator. Already we discussed in previous class. So remainder is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. So how many passengers are sat in the bus? In the van, 12 passengers sat out of 16 seats. Am I clear, children?